Hey there! In this video, I'm going to be talking about the recommended dose for Salamol inhaler. Now, if you want to learn more about asthma or COPD, hit the subscribe button below. According to the BNF, for both adults and children, the recommended dose of Salamol 100 micrograms inhaler is 1 or 2 puffs up to 4 times a day. For the prevention of allergy or exercise-induced symptoms, the manufacturer recommends for adults and children 12 or above 2 puffs 10 to 15 minutes before exercise or exposure to a trigger. For children under 12 years old, the manufacturer recommends 1 puff 10 to 15 minutes before exercise or exposure to a trigger, but you can increase that to 2 puffs. During an exacerbation or an asthma attack, up to 10 puffs of Salamol can be used, ideally via spacer. This can be repeated every 10 to 20 minutes or when needed. If someone needs to use 10 puffs of Salamol, they should seek urgent medical attention. To make sure the Salamol inhaler works properly, it is important to know how to store it correctly. But before I talk about this, if you're involved in asthma reviews, I'd recommend you check out my top tips on carrying out an asthma review. You can find the link in the description below. It's free and it's based on my experience carrying out over 1,000 asthma reviews. Now, if you want to know about how to store a Salamol inhaler correctly, I'd recommend you check out this video over here.